Welcome to this tutorial on creating planning levels in SAP IBP. A planning level is a set of attributes that identify and label key figure values and forms part of the definition of a planning area. A planning level enables you to analyze and plan at a specific aggregation level. For example, at the planning level period product customer. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create planning levels step by step. Section 1. Accessing the planning area's app and initiating the process. Step 1. Enter the planning area ID or name to be assigned in the search field. For example, the planning area ID could be IIM. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IIM planning area and click it to enter the planning area. Let's move on to Section 2. Selecting time profile level. Step 1. Now that we've accessed the planning area, let's click the Planning Levels tab to create planning levels. Step 2. On the Planning Levels tab, click the New button. Step 3. The Select Time Profile Level dialog appears. On the Select Time Profile Level dialog, click Lowest Time Profile Level dropdown. Step 4. Select the lowest time profile level for the planning level. For example, the lowest time profile level could be 2-week, technical. Step 5. Click OK button. Section 3. Enter planning level general information. Step 1. The new planning level screen is displayed. Enter an ID for the planning level, for example, IMPL. Step 2. Enter a description for the planning level, for example, planning level for IBP in minutes. Section 4. Assigning attributes to the planning level. Step 1. Let's click the Attributes tab to assign attributes. Step 2. On the Attributes area, click the Add button. Step 3. The Select Attributes dialog appears. Enter the attribute ID or name you want to add in the search field. For example, the attribute ID could be PRDD. Step 4. Click the search icon. Step 5. Locate the PRDD attribute and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional attributes as needed. Step 6. After adding the attributes, click the Add button. Section 5. Selecting the root attributes. Step 1. Enter the attribute ID or name you want to select as root attribute in the search field. For example, the attribute ID could be PRDD. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the PRDD attribute and click the checkbox in the root column. Step 4. Confirm all fields and then click the Save button. To summarize, creating planning levels in SAP IBP involves accessing the Planning Areas app, selecting the lowest time profile level, and assigning attributes. Additionally, you can configure settings for the planning level, such as the conversion or tight coupling for planning objects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.